Now, I've never done crack before, and I'm never going to do it. I've never even drank. I never smoked. I've never done any of that. But the way Charlie Sheen, the way he described doing crack, he make it sound like it's the most amazing
thing you can ever do in your life.
And he did say, hey,
it's gonna fuck up your life.
But it's the most amazing feeling you will ever have in your life, and you forever chase it. That is scary. I've never had an addiction or anything, but that is a scary feeling that you forever gonna be chasing something that you never gonna feel again, right? That is a crazy. So I do feel for addicts, but man, the way he described how it was, and that's not even the best part. Oh, he was getting a blowy while he was doing crack, and he said, "Oh, imagine getting a blowjob on crack."